Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good, doing great. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. I know my regular viewers were waiting for my latest video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So let's start the video. Today I'm presenting beautiful bob haircut ideas with pixie bob, layered bob with short and long length. These all haircut ideas are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These all hairstyles are really amazing that these hairstyles will change your personality and give you a beautiful look. No doubt, young girls, college going girls, teenage girls are getting these hairstyles in this season 2025 because these haircuts and hairstyles are going to trending and going in fashion in 2025. These old hairstyles are really amazing that after getting them you will feel more younger than your age as well. Well, I am presenting all type of bob haircut and hairstyle and hair length for all type of hair texture, all type of hair length and all type of face shape as well. You can select your favorite one haircut and hairstyle from this video according to your hair texture, face shape and according to your choice and ideas. These all hairstyles are really amazing that after getting them, you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime. You can do outdoor activity anytime. You can go out there to receptions, to weddings, to fashion shows, to get-togethers, to public places, anywhere where you want to go. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel, keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. If you like the video, then appreciate me through comment section. You can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. God bless you all. Keep remember me in your prayers and have a great hair day.